Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best jewelry welder is probably one of the most exciting and innovative tools to hit the DIY and small business scene, allowing enthusiasts and entrepreneurs alike to create stunning, custom-fit permanent jewelry pieces right from their studio or even on the go, transforming how we think about personal adornment and offering a unique, lasting connection through beautifully welded bracelets, necklaces, and anklets that symbolize enduring bonds and personal style. Number 5. AWithZ LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit. Experience superior performance with its upgraded AWithZ high power, allowing it to heat up in just 20 seconds. You can accurately adjust its temperature within a flexible range of 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal results for every task. This tool features a high-definition LCD screen that clearly displays the current temperature. You'll always know its status, making it easy to find the perfect heat setting for any welding job. Designed with 4 ventilation holes, it offers superior heat dissipation compared to others. Its heat-resistant handle effectively insulates temperature, making it comfortable and safe for extended welding and repair tasks. It's perfect for a wide range of uses, from welding circuit boards and repairing appliances to crafting jewelry and DIY projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced engineer, you'll find it incredibly useful. This essential kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the soldering iron, multiple tips, a stand, solder wire, and flux paste. It's a comprehensive set that equips you for immediate use. What we like? This kit offers rapid heating and precise temperature control, clearly displayed on its LCD screen. If you're a beginner or DIY enthusiast looking for a versatile tool for various small repairs and crafts, this is an excellent choice. Its comprehensive kit ensures you have everything needed to get started right away. What people say. Number 4. S7250A Dual Voltage Portable Stick Welder. This welder offers 250A power with both 110V and 220V options, providing unmatched flexibility. Use its 110V setting for light home repairs, or switch to 220V for stronger, more stable welding on heavier tasks. It focuses on delivering exceptional value from the machine itself. With 250A output, a dual voltage design, and stable arc control, it's engineered for superior performance. It works seamlessly with common stick electrodes like E6010, E6011, E6013, and E7018. This makes it a practical choice for a wide range of DIY repairs, steel projects, and general maintenance. Designed for home, farm, and garage use, it's compact and easy to carry between job sites. For optimal performance on longer welds, ensure you use a suitable power circuit and allow cooling time. Experience beginner-friendly arc control with hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions. These features improve arc starting, reduce rod sticking, and ensure a smoother welding experience for everyone. Its clear digital display simplifies current adjustment. This makes it incredibly easy for beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone performing everyday repair work to achieve precise settings. What we like? This welder boasts impressive 250A output and flexible dual voltage operation, adapting to various power sources. If you need a powerful machine for both light home repairs and heavier workshop tasks, its versatility is unmatched. Its beginner-friendly arc control features make it easy for new users to achieve smooth, stable welds. What people say. Number 3. S7 200A 110V LCD Welding Machine. This 200A, 110V welding machine is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. It features an easy-to-read LCD display and is compatible with various welding rod equipment and accessories. It's designed for simplicity, making it easy for beginners to pick up and use. This machine is compatible with common electrode sizes, making it versatile for various projects. Whether for DIY or professional tasks, it delivers reliable performance. Designed for optimal energy savings, it can handle full-day workloads effortlessly. This machine is suitable for welding various ferrous metals, including carbon, medium carbon, and alloy steel. Compact yet incredibly powerful, it's more than just a tool. This portable workhorse is built to perform wherever your projects take you. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and exceptional customer support. It's built to provide consistent, reliable performance with every use. For custom production solutions, contact us directly. With extensive experience and advanced technical support, welding is our lifelong passion. What we like? This compact yet powerful machine is incredibly easy for beginners to pick up and use effectively. If you're looking for an energy-efficient tool that can handle full-day workloads for various ferrous metals, this is a reliable option. Its portability means you can take your projects anywhere, making it a true workhorse. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. AWithZ Handheld Spot Welder 11 Gear Adjustable. This innovative device combines the power supply and welding pen into one compact unit. You can carry it with you anywhere, making on-the-go repairs incredibly convenient without needing extra accessories. It is suitable for various cylindrical batteries, mobile phone batteries, and other electronic devices. Use it to replace damaged batteries, extending the life of your gadgets and saving money. Operating this welder is simple with just 2 clearly labeled buttons. You can easily adjust settings and switch between automatic and manual modes right from your palm. With 11 adjustable output power gears, it adapts to different materials and thicknesses. You can fine-tune its strength for various nickel plates and battery types, ensuring optimal results. Despite its compact size, it includes high-quality polymer cells and multiple protections. These features, like overcharge and temperature protection, ensure safe and reliable operation. The exquisite package contains the handheld spot welder, nickel sheets, a charging cable, and a manual. It makes a perfect gift for anyone interested in battery DIY and electronics. What we like. This innovative handheld spot welder integrates the power supply and welding pen, making it incredibly convenient and portable. If you frequently work with cylindrical batteries and need precise power control with 11 adjustable gears, this device is perfect. It also comes with multiple protection measures, ensuring safe and reliable operation. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be selected as per the instructions. Number 1. Sunstone Orion mPulse 30 Permanent Jewelry Welder. This welder offers precise power control, from 3 to 30 Ws, in 1 Ws increments. Its weld spot sizes range from 0.5 mm to 1.5 mm, ensuring exact results for all your jewelry projects. Experience hassle-free operation with its intuitive touchscreen display. You can easily adjust energy levels and settings with a single touch, eliminating the need for complicated knobs or dials. Trust in its superior quality, as it's designed, produced, and assembled in the USA. It meets the highest industry standards for durability and performance. Benefit from our 15+ years of industry expertise with dedicated US-based customer support. We are here for you before, during, and after your purchase, ensuring you always have assistance. This compact machine provides advanced functionality in a small package. It's an ideal choice for professionals seeking precision, power, and ease of use in their work. What we like. This permanent jewelry welder offers exceptional precision with adjustable power from 3 Ws to 30 Ws, ideal for delicate work. If you are a jewelry professional seeking a user-friendly experience with an intuitive touchscreen interface, this machine simplifies complex tasks. Its USA quality assurance guarantees superior durability and reliable performance for your intricate projects. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.